Volume 1, exercise number 8, second part, start. As a matter of fact, many other sources believe that the figure is far higher, but in any case, there should be some parity and some idea as to the extent of the rehabilitation problem which still remains before the people of West Bengal. Full stop paragraph. The other contradiction is this, full stop. On the one hand, Shrimati Renuka Rai says that in the near future they will be making a successful completion of the work of economic rehabilitation of refugees in that state, but only last year Shri A.P. Jain said that as yet the problem of the displaced persons from Bangladesh was a matter which was giving some concern. Full stop. I really do not understand why, in spite of Shri A.P. Jain recognizing that the problem is still quite serious, Shrimati Renuka Rai should have made such a statement. Full stop. Yet we heard the Honorable Finance Minister, we find that there has been a big shortfall in rehabilitation budget. Full stop paragraph. I think that if the fact finding committee's report had been published, the assessment that they have rehabilitated about 50% of the people of Bangladesh who came over as displaced persons would have become quite clear in regard to its incorrectness. Full stop. As a matter of fact, when we went round the camps and colonies in West Bengal, we found that as yet not more than 15% of the people have been rehabilitated in the sense that they are able to eke out their subsistence on the poorest levels. Full stop. It is not more than 15%, and I think the figures of the fact finding committee are still lower. Full stop. I think this is something that we have to take very seriously and put our minds to and apply all the resources that we have to find out how we will be able to tackle this problem of rehabilitation. Full stop paragraph. Now, coming to the question of relief, I feel that until we are able to give really proper rehabilitation, we cannot withdraw relief. Full stop. It is no use arguing whether relief leads to lethargy and moral slackness unless our rehabilitation policies are fruitful. Have we any right to starve the people to death? Question mark. As a matter of fact, Shri A.P. Jain may know that in West Bengal the incidence of tuberculosis amongst the refugee population is very high. Full stop. Only a small percentage of them is catered for by the medical relief given by the Directorate of Rehabilitation. Full stop. If I am to tell you the tragic fate of the refugees in West Bengal, I would refer you to a report which appeared in February 2004. Full stop. Over.